Hello and thanks for tuning in. I'm Holly and this is the Hot Performers. Today we're looking at one of the big four, Westpac, under the spotlight. Now the bank has very recently released its earnings update for the 3 months ending on December 31. And Westpac, which is the country's fourth largest bank by market value, announced unaudited cash earnings of $1.58 billion for the first quarter. This is a 74% rise over the quarterly average during the second half of financial year 21. Meanwhile, cash earnings stood at $1.58 billion, up 1%, excluding notable items. Although there was a 20% dip in cash earnings when compared with the $1.97 billion reported in the first quarter of last fiscal. The bank also reported an 80% rise in statutory net profit to $1.82 billion in the first quarter of 22. Meanwhile, Westpac's net interest margin declined by 4 basis points in the first quarter to 1.91% compared to 1.99% in the second half of 21. This decline was attributed to the competitive pressure in mortgage and business lending and continuing growth in lower spread fixed rate mortgages. The net interest margin is expected to dip further in the current financial year. And Westpac has also revealed that it had set aside $551 million more to cover the pandemic's effect on the supply chains and certain sectors. It's expected to result in an impairment charge of $11 million in the quarter. And then in a surprising turn of events, the bank's headcount has been slashed by over 1,100 during the quarter as well, lowering corporate functions by nearly 20% and combining key management roles. Westpac expects to book restructuring charges in both its half and full year results. And in light of this, Chief Executive Peter King announced changes in their top ranks and further cuts to head office jobs as the Travel Bank's first quarter cash earnings beat expectations amid intense mortgage competition. And Westpac's Chief Risk Officer David Stephen and the Head of Financial Crimes and Compliance Les Vans will leave. Their positions will be combined and filled by Ryan Zanin, who is currently managing the risk at Fannie Mae in New York. And as for the bank's financial performance, CFO Michael Rowland was pleased with their start to the year. Management has expressed their confidence in the year ahead and highlighted the cost benefits of their simplification programs. Rowland has also gone on record saying that even when the environment remains highly competitive, the bank continues to see pressure on margins. So today, Westpac stock price was trading at $21.02, at least 2.04% higher. Well, that is all for now on the Hot Performers, but tune in next time only on Kalkine TV. This is Holly Shields signing off.